I paid 700 pesos per night. Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you where I stay. So I stayed in Angeles City on Theodora Street at Natalia Villas for rent. So in one of those villas I found a cheap accommodation. So is that one, the second one? I paid 700 pesos per night. Now when I checked the price for January, it costed about 1,000 pesos per night. And yeah, let me show you around.
Please subscribe.
So this is the villa, and that's my room up there on the first floor. So yeah, let's take a look inside, guys. So it's like a shared apartment. We have a living area with TV, then also kitchen. You get free water here, kitchenette with a fridge that you can use, more water there. Unfortunately the stove here doesn't work, but there is a kitchen out here which you can use. So there's the cooker. And yeah, the washing machine also was told it doesn't work. So here's one bathroom for downstairs that anybody can use, but each room has its own private bathroom as well. So I'll take you up the stairs just in a bit. This is the room, big king size bed. Then we got a TV there. We got a safe, AC, chair. Let's see. We got a terrace here. Then we have more closet space and a bathroom. Gun. The pressure is not as satisfying as I would like it to be, but yeah, shower with hot water. So yeah, that's basically what you get for this money. I would say it's pretty okay. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure. Hello, another day here in Angeles City. Today is Thursday, and yeah, let's go explore a little bit more of Angeles. Today we'll take some back roads of Angeles City. So yeah, let's see how this residential area close to Walking Street looks like. Let's go. Here we are at my Villas resort. I don't even know the name, to tell you the truth, but okay. This is Theodora Street. So these are called Villas, Talia Villas for rent, 4-bedroom, I guess. Today is a hot day, guys. Yesterday it was cooler. Today it's one of those, how do you call it, humidity filled day. Sun is shining. So we are on the way to the corner bar. I'll show you a corner bar where the beer used to be, big Red Horse. Half a liter used to be 70 pesos. We'll check the price there, if it has changed in 1 year. Juanita's guest house. Now let me see if we go right here. Yeah, I think we can go right here. Some nice houses. A nice Jeep. We have here DM Residente Inns and Villas. Okay. There you go. Other villas, apartments, AJC. So, as I said, residential areas, if you're looking for a place to stay, more of a long-term rent, should we say. Yeah, this was Alfonso Bonifacio Street, Bonifacio, and now we are on Ramon Jose Street. There's a Sorry store there where it says Fortune. On the corner. But we're going to casino. Yes, just follow the sign. Going to casino. And wait. If you want to buy a house or just rent it, there you have another Joshua store here in the corner. This is the house. It used to be spa massage. I guess it went out of business. Not many people visit these streets here. Oh yeah, this is the whole house, yeah. If you wanna buy, there's the number. 6 bedroom, 5 bathroom, wide garage, laundry area, VRR Apartel. I guess you can also stay here until they sell it. Unfortunately, there's no prices, so you would have to call to get the prices. There's one Euphoria building in front of us. Up there, Central Park Tower. So you're basically close to the walking street, but at the same time hidden away in a residential area, you know. Quite peaceful residential area. Let's go down there. Another. Wait, chorizo de Cebu. Maybe they also, they only sell longanizza. No, I thought they had like lechon, but okay. For Christmas dinner, we wanted to have some lechon. That's why. The whole piggy. Little piggy. There goes the airplane. from Clark Airport, getting up. It's flying quite low, I must say. Another residential villas here for rent. Let me get you the number if you're interested. So this is the villa. 3 bedrooms and bachelor's pads. There's the number and the address. And another villas here. DM Residente in St. Villas. See, I think behind this wall. But we're going here towards my secret corner bar with the cheapest beer around Walking Street, owned by a Welsh guy and his Filipino wife. Water refilling station here. Another private house. A little sari store called Arius store. I guess that's Arius. For quick drinks or something. Here we have some dental clinic. Espiritu. I don't see. They would have to cut down the trees. You know, Filipino marketing, not so efficient. And here we are at my corner bar. I'm meeting one friend, my home country friend who lives here. I met him actually in this bar. Self-service laundry just next to it. And yeah, this is the bar. Oh, that will be my seat. So this is the corner bar. If we go down there, we get to Walking Street in front of Kokomo's. So yeah, Chris, 19 Cafe. I'm meeting my friend Ito here, so let's get cervecita. So yeah, there you go. Red Horse still 70, as you can see. The other prices pretty affordable. One of the cheapest bars here in Angeles. You can also get some food. There you go. And of course, free delivery if you order more than 300 pesos. Today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to press like, share, subscribe, ring that bell, and maybe Big Joe will dance for you. See you in the next one. And there you go. Big Red Horse, 70 pesos, and a mango shake. Typical Slovenian. Okay. Dishes in the Philippines. The cow soup, roasted potatoes, and the beef. And of course, Filipino needs rice. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. And the next one, guys.